development is one of the most important emerging areas within unscripted television. It's where good ideas come from. This course is about workshopping ideas in a professional environment to get them structured and down into the right shape for potential commissioners or funders to really engage with your idea. We live in a very risk-averse commissioning environment now where people really need to back and fund guaranteed hits and successes. What does that look like by way of coming up with creative ideas? What are the steps to creating an idea and ultimately getting it funded so you can make a living out of this? If your idea is a strong one, you still need to work very hard to get that commissioned. This course really concerns itself with what are the right steps you need to take to be able to not only creatively come up with contemporary and trendy and strong ideas that are going to really make an impact, but also how to structure them for success. It's also about all the other things that funders and commissioners look for to get confidence to back your idea. This course is for anybody who has some experience within the storytelling arena, be it digital, radio, film, television, advertising. I'll be working with you from concept through design, right through to a polished pitch deck at the end of the program, which will stand up in a professional industrial environment that you with confidence could pitch to a funder or a commissioner. We have a huge amount of guest speakers joining the course, each successful in their own discipline within development or funding or commissioning, and they'll be lending their insights. Having consulted with the independent sector for many years, worked in commissioning, worked on many development courses with the sector, it always makes me very happy to hear from students and learners and people I've consulted with that they've got their first commission or that a project that was turned down previously has now been funded. That's what gets me out of bed in the morning, and I'm excited to share those skills with you on this course.